little heroes, and welcome to Craft with me, Lightning Luna. Today we're going to be making our X-Ray Vision Magnifying Glass. Look at that. It's going to help us find the magic egg that has been hidden somewhere in the Superstar Hero Trading Academy. So let's get started. Would you like to make one with me? If you would, you need a bit of card that we've folded in half. You need one of these. If you don't have any of these, you don't need it. You could just have a hole because it will still work because we're using our glitter magic to make it work. And you need some pens, something round to draw around, and scissors, but make sure they're child-friendly scissors and you have a grown-up to help you, and some glue stick, which is for my glitter. I'm so excited to get started. Right, so first I've got my bit of card and I folded it over to make it easier and quicker for me to cut the magnifying glass shape out. I'm going to draw around something round. This is perfect because it's got an outer layer and an inner layer. So if you have a roll of tape, that would be ideal. So I'm going to draw around my roll of tape, and then I'm going to go around the inside of the tape as well. So there you go, you've got your two circle lines. And then I'm going to just draw straight down for my handle. That's it. Now you don't have to do it exactly as I'm doing it. I am just giving you ideas, so if you would like to make something similar but do it your own way, then that's absolutely fine. I'm then going to get my lens, if you've got one, and I'm going to take my tape again to draw around, and I'm going to draw around the bigger circle. There we go. Now, Lightning Luna could use her scissors to cut this out, but I don't want to do that. I'm going to use my cutting magic. It's basically super speedy, but to you it will just look like it appears cut out. Are you ready? Count with me to 3. 1, 2, 3. Here we go, it's worked. My magic super fast cutting has worked. So I've now got 2 magnifying glass shapes and a lens. So I'm now going to take my glue stick and glue one side of the magnifying glass. I'm going to go all down the handle and all the way around the rim, because you want to make sure it's got lots of glue on, ready to stick the lens in. And then I'm going to put glue on the outside of the rim of the lens so that I can then stick the other side on very super simply. There we go. And now I'm going to put this on like this. So here we go, we've got our main magnifying glass shape. Now, as I said earlier, the thing that makes this magic is the glitter. The glitter will give it X-ray vision so that we can find anything we want. Have you lost something in your house? You could use this to find it. If you don't have glitter though, you could always make it super special with colouring pens, or even just some stickers would look so good. Right, I'm going to just put glitter on my handle. So I'm going to glue the handle, and then I'm going to get my glitter. I'm going to get my glitter catcher. Oh no! I've knocked it over. Oh well. Put it in my hand and tip it on. There we go. This handle is going to be so glittery, considering I just spilt half of it. That's it. I'm going to be so glittery. Right. Okay, I've pressed it to the handle. I'm going to show you the magic. Ready? Look at that, it is so sparkly. And now just the finishing touch, because I am Lightning Luna after all, I'm going to do my lightning zigzags around the edge. You can do whatever you like I said. You can make it completely your own. But if you did want to copy me, that's absolutely fine as well. Sometimes we just need ideas. And there it is. Now, you can make one of your own at home, and you could use it to find anything you might have lost. I think the magic egg's over there. I think Zoom might have misplaced it and thought it was a real egg. Never mind. I cannot wait to see you next time. If you've enjoyed this craft with Lightning Luna, please do give us a like and subscribe to our channel for more Supernova Kids adventures. I can't wait to see what you made. Thanks so much for watching. Bye!